So welcome back, guys. This is just a short mini tour of my backyard garden. As you all know, I love planting stuff. I have a farm, but this is a backyard that nobody's interested in, so I decided to put in a few things there. I use it to grow things. As you can notice, some people use it to dump refuse. So you can see I've planted corn, and then there's bitter leaf, which I can always harvest to make onubu soup. There are even flowers there. Then the next thing I have is my orchid plants. As you can see, they are growing well in my backyard garden. You can see them, they are doing quite well, and I'm impressed with them. And I hope they produce very, very well. You can see them quite a lot in my backyard garden. This is my orchid plants. You can see I also have okra plants coming through, which I sowed in my backyard garden. They are still quite young. I intercropped them. You can see I have maize, akidi, okra, all in my small backyard space. So these are the okra plants I have. I just finished removing the weeds around them to give them enough energy and space to thrive. These are my okra plants. So this is basically just encourage you guys to make use of every available space you have. Like I said earlier, people use this place to dump refuse, but I've decided to clear it and plant stuff. All these are my okra plants. So if you notice in my backyard, apart from the okra plants, the maize, the bitter leaf, I also have cocoyam plants. As you can see them, there are various stages of maturity. I have cocoyam plants also in the small backyard space at behind the fence. I'm just going to go ahead and do a bit of weeding. Weeding the backyard is very, very easy because the ground is quite soft and the weeds that grow there are not the stubborn type. So I'm going ahead to remove the weeds that are competing with my young seedlings. So as I told you earlier, I have quite a bit of cocoyam plants. You can see them looking healthy and beautiful in my backyard garden. So you guys can see how if all these things do well, the kind of harvest I will be harvesting 4 different types of things just from this backyard space. So growing stuff doesn't really require a lot of space. It's just for you to look around and see what you can do with what you have. So these are the cocoyam plants. And then there are more maize also. You can see I've just finished removing the weeds. The ground looks a bit clean, at least to give them some leverage to mature even faster.